Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of coconut turmeric rice with greens by Ali Slagle. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This recipe is 100% vegan and it's filled with healing foods like coconut oil, sesame seeds, turmeric, saffron, and your veggie of choice. So let's get started. First, we rinse the rice to remove the sticky starches so we get a fluffy pilaf. So rinse the rice until the water runs clear, mostly like this, and then let it drain and set it aside. Chop the white and green parts of a scallion, but keep them separate. They'll be added in at different times. In a large pot over medium-low heat, toast half a cup of unsweetened coconut flakes and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds until they're fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep a close eye on this because it will toast quickly and you'll burn it, and then it makes the whole dish taste bad. So transfer the ingredients to a small bowl and wipe out the pot. You don't want any remnants burning in the pot while we cook the rest of the dish. Once that's clean, melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil over medium-low, the same heat we had before. Add the scallion whites with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Cook, stirring for 3 to 5 minutes until it's aromatic and lightly toasted. Add the rice and 1 can of coconut milk. Add a pinch of saffron if you want, that's optional. And fill the coconut milk can with water and pour that in too. And season with salt. If you have kosher salt, use about 1.5 teaspoons. If you're using granulated salt, I'd stick with about half a teaspoon. And give everything a good stir to break up any lumps. And bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, turn the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes, covered. As the rice cooks, prep your vegetables. If you're using leafy greens, remove and discard the tough stems and cut or tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces and arrange the vegetables in 1 layer over the rice. I'm using broccoli, but you can use any leafy green or even grated carrot, anything that steams well. If you use broccoli, you should cut it into more bite-sized pieces than you see here. Once it's all in 1 layer, season with salt and pepper and cover the pot and cook for 5 more minutes. Then remove from the heat and let it sit covered for 5 more minutes. As the rice rests, zest half a teaspoon of the lime, then cut it into 4 wedges. Add the zest to the toasted coconut and sesame seed along with the scallion greens. After the rice has rested, stir the vegetables into the rice and serve. Sprinkle the coconut mixture on top and serve with a lime wedge for squeezing on top. My only comments for the recipe are to use vegetables that steam easily. If you use something like broccoli, make sure it's thawed before you add it to the dish and chop it into smaller pieces. The big pieces I left in it made them al dente, and I prefer my broccoli softer than that, and I should have known better. Otherwise, this recipe is great on its own or even served with something like fish. Get the ingredients below or at cookingcompanion.tv.com/turmeric rice. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards, and thanks for watching.